You know why relationships matter and how to approach them, but where do you actually find these valuable connections? It's not just about grand events. It's about identifying the right environments for meaningful engagement. First, leverage industry events and conferences. These are prime locations for meeting people who share your professional interests. Research attendees or speakers beforehand. Have a few talking points ready. Engagement. Don't just collect cards and scan QR codes. Aim for genuine conversations. Ask about their biggest takeaways from a session or their current industry challenges. Follow-up. As mentioned, a timely and personalized follow-up is crucial to turn a casual meeting into a meaningful connection. These events are curated opportunities to meet relevant individuals in a focused environment. Make the most of them. Second, explore professional associations and groups. Joining an industry association can provide ongoing opportunities for connection beyond one-off events. It also gives you the on-paper street cred you need to open even more doors. Active participation. Don't just join, get involved. Volunteer for a committee, attend regular meetings, or participate in online forums. Leadership roles. Taking on a leadership role within an association further enhances your visibility and credibility. These environments allow for repeated interactions, which are essential for building trust and deeper relationships over time. It's where you move from acquaintance to colleague. Third, utilize online professional platforms. Platforms dedicated to professional networking offer vast opportunities, but they require a strategic approach. Thoughtful engagement. Don't just connect with everyone, personalize your invitation messages. Content contribution. Share valuable insights, articles, or perspectives related to your field. This establishes your expertise and invites engagement. Commenting and interacting. Engage thoughtfully with others' posts, offering genuine comments and questions, not just generic likes. These platforms are digital extensions of your network, allowing you to connect with individuals globally and expand your reach beyond physical boundaries. Use them to build your digital presence and expand your sphere of influence. Fourth, consider community involvement. Sometimes, the most powerful business connections are forged outside of purely professional settings. Local organizations. Join a local chamber of commerce, a Rotary Club, or a community service group. Volunteer work. Contribute to a cause you care about. These activities allow you to connect with people on a more personal level, often revealing shared values and interests that can form the bedrock of strong business relationships. It's about being a good citizen first and finding business synergy second. Finally, cultivate existing relationships. Your most valuable network often consists of people you already know, past clients, former colleagues, mentors, and even friends. Regular check-ins. Schedule periodic informal check-ins with these individuals. Seek advice. Ask for their insights or advice, showing you value their experience. Offer help. Proactively look for ways to assist them or connect them with others. Nourishing these existing connections often yields the highest return on investment. They are your warmest leads and most reliable advocates.